this is statistic 2003. So for the project, for the first task, each student will need to take only one variable. For me, I have taken number of credit sales. You will have to make 3 schedules, one for each month. So first of all, I will take all these numbers from the first month and I will put it in the Excel sheet, my Excel sheet. I have already inserted the numbers. So here I'm doing this just to find the frequency. You will need to select all the numbers and sort smallest to largest. And here you write that you have 0, 10, 20, 30, 50, and 70. So how many times did the 0 repeat? You can see 4 times. So I will write here 4 and 2 for the 24 again 4, so 4, 4, 2, 2. And then I will take the sum, auto sum, enter, we have 18. Now I will go to numbers of credit sales. I will take this, I will copy it here, also the frequency, and again I will sum all the numbers. The probability we will do equals this over the total, which is 18. So because it is 18 will be for all the numbers, we will divide all the numbers by 18. So I will do dollar probability will do equal this over this, but I will add the dollars here because we will divide all the number by the total. Okay, here the mean, we will multiply x by the probability. X is numbers of sales, and again then you will sum all the mean. But in the project they asked that they want the mean to be a whole number, so 26. Okay, now x, which is equal x minus mu. Again we will use the mu for all the numbers. So then we will power this, power 2 for all the numbers, and then we will multiply this by the probability. Now you will sum all the numbers. Okay, now we will sum all the numbers, and this will be the variance. To find the standard deviation, equal the square root of this, and this is for the first month, and you will need to repeat all the steps for the second and third month. It will be the same as this one.